Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is Ratata. You now understand that they are for the #1 radio station. Well, we are EFM 95.1, the Shukman station. Open a market runs matter. So I say, my fall out, my enter the street, my ask okay question their father. Talk to me. And the question be saying, I'm not going to tell you now. Oh, but follow me, make I ask the people. If I ask them, even you yourself, you can't know what you are the young, you know understand. Oh, but not going anywhere. If you come out your ear for this station, you have a spiritual problem, but if you remember in your head, get oh yeah, who says so? Ratata says so. Talk to me. Oh, but I want to ask this boss one correct question, but it goes shock him. But boss, answer me, boss. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. How are you, boss?
I did Kajad.
All right. What will be your name, boss?
My name is Mark Fidelis Obabuko.
All right, boss. Market. I want to ask you one question. Answer sincerely. Market transfer now about buying and selling. Now, what do you think of a man when you say his wife they sell condom, but when he won't buy, he will go buy for another place?
Oh boy, see question. This question tired up our guy. The two they be say, you don't say don't be every woman where they cook. They chop the food when they chop, they cook. So the condom where the man won't use, where he won't use her first. if the be house he won't use her, of course now you don't go report himself for your wife hand.
So that man cannot patronize his wife.
Patronize her for waiting now. If he won't use for house, he go tell the wife make he bring one come for house. If he won't buy, the one go use for outside. You go that place go buy her.
So that woman is a bad customer.
The man a bad customer. For that woman, no.
Yeah, bad customer.
If you go buy for that woman, you know say house don't scatter with that.
Yeah,
Because he go explain what he wants her for.
He don't want to make the wife know say he dey do something outside now.
So if now you, how you go see him?
I no go see him as anything. I no go. That is.
Okay.
I no go see him as anything. I go no say he dey try to protect himself now.
Okay.
But he don't want me to know.
Okay. Yeah.
So.
Okay. What if he can't buy for your hand?
If you come buy from my hand, he go pay me saying they do something like that outside. But I know to kill him or do him anything because I know say him they try to protect himself.
If he can't buy for your hand, you go sell for her. You go sell for her. All right, now so the matter be right. Follow me, more go ask another guy, man. You know that stuff. You cool?
I want to question funny. The man, why they sell condom?
But if you want buy, what that place go buy?
Maybe no one my wife know now saying they do in-get side.
So that kind of man a better customer, I mean a bad customer.
A bad customer.
If now you call.
I'm not me. I go do the same thing what the man do.
The guy that wrong, he say go do the same thing.
The matter be say, you know, your wife is selling condom, and I leave my wife go buy for another place.
Yes.
Okay, if I buy from my wife, who I would tell her that I wanted to use it with?
Okay, I know.
I can't buy from my wife.
So you cannot patronize your wife?
It got some business where we say you can buy from house, or you can say you wanted to patronize your wife. For that kind of stuff, I can't buy it for my wife.
You go buy for outside?
I will go buy for outside.
So that means you're a bad customer to your wife?
Yes, I'm a bad customer to my wife.
Michael?
Hey, Ra. Me, I no go have much to say, but number one, I fit tell my wife, say, na my pastor for church won't use them. So, she no go suspect. We are helping the ministry.
Which ministry?
The ministry must move forward. Ra, no ask me that one. Two, you see, sometimes my wife.
Hello. See, he said maybe in pastor, if you no say your wife and pastor wife, they be friends.
That one, see, we go settle one for altar. Yeah. But you see second one, my wife, you know they say original.
I go feel so bad though.
How? Why?
Because they say the same thing now. Why you go buy for another place?
So make her buy for your hand, Abi?
Make come buy for my hand first. Before you go explain what you want you to do.
Make her buy first.
Make come buy first. Give me the money. May enter my pocket. Later you go explain what you want you to do.
What if you not explain?
You go explain now for bed that time you want come do this thing.
But you want buy and you want come out.
You know if you come out that time.
You go wait, what you go do?
No, I will collect the money put. Later I come sell for them for house. No be that time I go sell for them.
You go sell for that for us. Now so follow Wazobia FM, follow Market Trust on top of Wazobia FM 95.1. You know understand so every Monday 11 o'clock for morning go reach 12 o'clock for afternoon. That's how they roll for Market Trust. You know understand Wazobia FM. You the craze?
I the craze.
You the craze?
Who
applause?
You don't find trouble.
Give it to me there.